American Airlines. If it's up to me, y'all ain't gonna see me again. Hey y'all, it's Kamforreall. Now you may be wondering, Cam, what is going on with your mouth? Why am I not hearing any sound? Same. Because here I'm editing saying why? Why is it that I've been videoing in slow motion for hours and hours and hours? I'm here like, oh, it's just a few clip, softing, it will return. Friend, from Jamaica to Doha, the content was in slow motion. And to make matters worse, I'm here in the airport. I'm thinking, oh, we had top tier content angles. They will love this, friend. Slow motion, fully. But it's okay. We figured it out. In a few clips, there's a sense of order that returns, a sense of semblance of order returns to the vlog. But yeah, we're late. We figured it out late, but we reach. We're late, but we reach. So just to let y'all know, the reason why the clip be looking martial arty is because I was videoing in slow motion and I did not realize. And what you didn't see, of course, you saw that I missed my flight. But what you did not see was while I was boarding the flight, one of the we call the check-in people at the ground, whatever. They're like, oh, excuse me, hello, hi. I look back. They're like, yeah. I'm so sorry, madam. Just to let you know that we're gonna have to check in your carry-on bag because of space allowance. And I said, of course. Of all the thousands and hundreds of people on this flight, you're gonna pick me. But anyways, it's okay. At the end of the day will end. Right? We had some fun, and the airport is beautiful. You'll see it soon because this clip, in a few clips, the vlog returns to original speed. So all I'm saying is American Airlines, if it's up to me, y'all ain't gonna see me again. If it's up to me. If it was up to me, that's all I'm saying. If I have anything to do with it, if it's within my power, yeah. Last time will be today. It would be diabolical not to vlog what is happening. Do you guys know the movie Crazy Rich Asians? And they were describing the airport in Singapore. Well, this kind of looks like it.
Like, are you kidding me? Very much cutesy, very demure, very much luxurious, very upper echelon, very top tier. You know what I'm saying? You get me? What's going on? It's a little nook, let me see. I'm touring the place. I have nothing but time. I have 4 hours until my next flight. So technically I can do whatever I want for the next 2 hours. I'm gonna try to find something to eat though, hopefully at some point, but I'm gonna see if I can get a better view from the, oh, is there a restaurant? I'm gonna better go up there. I'm not gonna buy nothing there, but this is the view from up top-ish. Guys, it's nice. They got Louis Vuitton. Hold up. Stop playing with them. Qatar said we are not the ones. We're like 3/4 off the way through my journey. Hold on. Take a break. This bag is heavy. The flight leaves, what time is it? Hold on, let me check. It's now local time. Well, in Abu Dhabi it's 10:22, so let's work with 10:22. And I'm leaving here at 1:55, so I have a little bit of time. The flight was great. The food on Qatar Airways was chef kiss. They have baked chicken, vegetables, mashed potatoes, very much. The service was top tier. The cabin crew, they were friendly. American Airline, take some notes. Yeah, do that. Anyways, I try not to say anything ill or bad about certain companies because maybe I'm gonna make it big on YouTube one day, and maybe they're gonna say, hey Kamforreall, you wanna do like a collab with us? But for American Airlines, yeah. But the check-in lady that was helping me at American Airlines, she was very nice, she was very friendly. She tried to rebook me, well, she rebooked me for today because I landed in Qatar 11, so she, oh wait, so that means it's 11 o'clock. Wait, what? No, it's 9. It's 9. Guys, wait. Listen, I can't afford to miss another flight. Let me see what's going on. I'm at 11:42 and I landed at 8:26 here. So that means, yeah, I have time. Almost panicked for a little bit. So as I was saying, the lady in American Airlines, she was very friendly. She tried to help me, but what happened was, so she booked me on a flight for 11, which then got cancelled, and then after it got cancelled I had to go back to American Airlines for them to rebook the ticket, which was crazy because I was like, why am I feeling like I am the problem here when it's because of you guys and your delays as usual that caused me to miss my connecting flight? Because when I showed up to check into Qatar Airways, sorry, they said, oh, we just closed, like literally just closed. So I'm just like, bro, seriously? If the flight came when it was supposed to come, I would have been on this flight at 7 p.m. to go to Doha. But anyways, can't cry over spilled milk. I'm here now with time to spare. Everything worked out well so far. So yeah, we're just making the best of the scenery. It's very nice. So I mean, hey, what you gonna complain for? What you gonna complain? I got a free layover in Qatar. What we gonna do? So I'm gonna try to find something to eat now. I've already showed you the garden. They have more places too, by the way. Oh, they have Ralph's Coffee from New York. I always wanted to try it, but I want to try it in New York. Some things you have to try in the place. fail. People, you won't guess what just happened. I just pretty much spoke to you guys for around 10 to 15 minutes and the camera was not vlogging. It wasn't recording. I'm done. Take me out the game, coach. I will see you guys back in where do I live? Riyadh. Oh my gosh, why was that so hard for me to remember? I think my brain is working in slow motion. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna edit some videos and then I'm gonna board my flight. I'm gonna go to Riyadh and wash this day off me because honestly, today has been a long year. It's been a long year. So yeah, I probably should have quit while I'm ahead. See you in Riyadh. I'm fine. Bro, stop staring. It's very impolite to stare. What y'all doing? What y'all got going